How to fix DoorDash app won't let me place my order. So if you are facing this issue, first and foremost, try to sign in or log in to your DoorDash application after a second or a minute. If still isn't it working, check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch it to your mobile data by enabling your mobile data. If it still does not work, swipe down your quick access and enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds. Turn it back off and reconnect with your Wi-Fi connection. And this issue must be solved. If it still persists, press and hold your DoorDash app and go to App Info. Tap on Force Stop and OK, and tap on Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. Once the cache buildup is cleared, this issue must be solved. If not, open your Play Store to check for an update and search for DoorDash. Right here, tap on DoorDash. If there is an update bubble, simply leave it for an update. If not, tap on Uninstall and reinstall it once again. And try to log in back to it and place an order. If not, log into your DoorDash. Then, from your account setting, go ahead and select the option called Frequently Asked Questions, where you can directly chat with a customer service or an agent. Now right here, you can state your problem facing in your DoorDash and they will help you through the process. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.